What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you my favorite places to buy vegetable seed on the internet. My first pick is Tomato Growers. Tomato Growers is overall my favorite place to buy tomato seeds on the internet. They have an incredible depth of tomato varieties, great prices, fast shipping, and often throw in free surprise seed packets if you order beyond a certain dollar amount. They have an excellent selection of pepper varieties as well. While they don't have quite as much depth in other vegetable selections that other websites have, they are my go-to supplier for tomato and pepper seed. My second pick is Victory Seeds. Victory Seeds has an incredible variety of seed categories with enormous depth in each category. Their prices are some of the lowest out there, but where they really shine is they are the #1 supplier of Dwarf Tomato Project seed. I get almost all my Dwarf Tomato Project seed from Victory Seeds. I highly recommend you browse their incredible library of seeds from every category. My third pick is Baker Creek. Baker Creek doesn't have quite the depth of tomato and pepper selections that the other previous two suppliers have, but they make up for it in overall variety of vegetables. Baker Creek has an incredible selection of rare and interesting fruits and vegetables that you've probably never seen before, hence their website name, rareseeds.com. They also have the most helpful customer review section of any seed supplier on the internet. Reading through the enormous customer review section is very helpful in making decisions. They also sell flowers, bulbs, tubers, and live plants, so they aren't just a seed supplier. And my fourth pick is Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. Southern Exposure specializes in heat-tolerant varieties of vegetables that are bred for hot, humid climates that perform well in the southern and mid-Atlantic regions of the United States. Southern Exposure almost exclusively stocks open-pollinated seeds and carries little to no hybrid seed. If you're a gardener that likes to save seed, you know how hard it is to find disease-resistant heirloom and open-pollinated types. For this reason, Southern Exposure is an invaluable resource for researching heat-tolerant and disease-resistant varieties of open-pollinated and heirloom vegetables. Regardless of who you buy seed from, none of these suppliers sell GMO seed. They only sell open-pollinated, heirloom, and naturally cross-pollinated hybrid seed. GMO seed isn't available to the general public, so that's not something you need to worry about. These are some of my favorite seed companies, but this is ultimately a small list. There are tremendous numbers of great seed companies out there, so if you have some companies that you love to do business with, be sure to list your favorite seed companies in the comments section for others to see. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.